Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Savvy. Today we are going to be reviewing the 350 Nature Glow palette from Morphe. You guys, I'm sorry I'm being so extra, but this is really exciting. This is like your dream makeup palette. Not only is it $23, and can I just like repeat myself, $23. That is literally how much I spend on a Tuesday night ordering Chinese food. It comes with 35 shades, but who cares? You can buy a cheap $2 palette and have really crappy quality. What makes this palette special is because the quality of the eyeshadow palettes are said to be top of the line. This has a 4.9 star rating on their website. That is incredible. Morphe's claim is that these colors inside are highly pigmented, super blendable, and beyond creamy is what they say specifically. So in this video, what I want to do is I want to first do a little bit of an unboxing so that you guys can see the packaging happiness going on inside. I'm going to do swatches of every single color in this palette because I am extra. There are 35 colors, oh my god. We are going to do a wear test to see how it looks after a couple of hours and what it looks like after, let's say, 7.5 hours. We are going to experiment with this palette and see what it really can do. And we're going to try doing that by trying to get me that golden goddess type of makeup look. And without further ado, I think that we should get into the unboxing! Now we're going to go in with some of the colors on this palette and we are going to try to get a golden goddess kind of makeup look going. We've done our makeup swatches. We have done a full face of makeup using the palette on my eyes. It looks really awesome and I'm really happy with it. One of the things that I loved about it was that number one, the pigment is very strong, and number two, it blends extremely well, and I love that because that's one of the challenges for me with eyeshadows is really like trying to blend everything together nicely and seamlessly. But this palette does it for you like effortlessly. So like I said in the beginning, I do want to test to see how long this makeup will last, to see if it's long lasting. So it is currently 3:30 right now. So I will vlog and let you guys see what my makeup looks like at 10:30, which is approximately like 7 hours from now. So, and I'll also show you guys the swatches so that you can see it again and kind of figure out if you think anything is faded or how it's really lasting. But just be mindful, it's on my arm. I'm doing things with my arm. Hey guys, so it's like 10:30 right now. We just came out of Icon, and by we I mean Shane and I, and he keeps grabbing stuff to throw at me. It's so annoying. But anyways, here is a look of what these swatch marks look like after about 7.5 hours. Let's see this side as well. The browns and the oranges, they stood on pretty well, but anything that was light and shimmery kind of just very quickly came off. But obviously these are places that, you know, like I put a shirt on, you take it off, and then there's a lot of friction on your face. I think it will hold up a lot better. So with that being said, I'm gonna switch back into the other video, and I'm gonna smack Shane with a noodle. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up. Hit it with your big toe. I'm like, there you go. Hit it with your big toe. And be sure to subscribe and comment down below and be my friend on Instagram. And okay, I'm just kidding. Damn, that's obnoxious. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go now. I love you guys so much, and I hope you guys are having a fantastic week. Alright, bye!